Okay, this is your how-to video for how to complete your independent reading assignment for Tuesday, December 1st and Wednesday, December 2nd. So it's right here. I'm on Google Classroom and I'm on classwork. I'm under the week of November 30th through December 4th. And it is right here. Tuesday, 12-1 and Wednesday, 12-2. Independent reading assignment. So it says watch this video first. It's this video that I'm making right now. It'll be right here. Please click it and watch it. Complete the assignment and turn it in. So you have Tuesday and Wednesday to complete this. It is due by Wednesday, December 2nd at midnight. It is worth 10 points. Please make sure that you use text evidence, correct capitalization, and punctuation. So I'm going to click on the assignment. I'm going to show you what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, type your name and date in it. You just do that by clicking in it. If you accidentally delete a text box, you can just come up here to this T and you can click on it and come in and drag it in. So the first thing you need to do is read the passage. It is on slide 1 and slide 2. Then you're ready to answer some questions. And I believe there are 8 questions. So you can answer 4 on Tuesday and 4 on Wednesday, or however you want to split it up. What I do want you to do is make sure that you are going back into the text to find your text evidence. Do not just click on it and choose an answer. So what you can do, so you're going to read the question, you're going to go back into the article and find the text evidence, and then you're going to take the circle right here, and you're just going to click and move it over your answer, okay? I'm going to move it back. So that's what you're going to do for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I do expect that every time you are going back into the article right here, slides 1 and 2, to find that text evidence. So on 7 and 8, you are going to answer by clicking in the box and typing. You do need to make sure that you're using the RACES format. Restate the question so that it begins with the sentence. Make sure you start with capitals and end with punctuation. Go back into the text, the article, to find some text evidence. This one is asking you about how do the pictures and captions help the reader? Well, you'll need to go back in and see what the pictures and captions are, and then come explain how they help you as a reader. Again, please make sure that you're answering in complete sentences, that your work starts with the capital and ends with punctuation. And then number 8, what evidence does the author give to support the idea that bald eagles are amazing flyers? Use specific text evidence in your response. So you will need to come back into the passage, probably going to look under the heading Amazing Flyers, and then you're going to reread that and answer question 8. Again, use your RACES format. You guys have learned RACES since you've started at Bubbling Wells. I know that it's been a big area of every teacher's instruction for many, many years. So remember that RACES format, okay? So go ahead and restate the question. Go back into the text and find your text evidence. So you might say, for example, the text says that bald eagles can fly up to 1,000 feet. Anything that the author gives you in the text on either page to tell you why bald eagles are such amazing flyers, you need to put it here. Again, complete sentences, correct capitalization, correct punctuation. Go back into the text every single time, okay? Then you're going to, when you're all done, you're going to come back in, click View Assignment, and turn it in. If you want to do half on Tuesday and the rest on Wednesday, that is totally fine, as long as it's done by Wednesday at midnight.